Hey guys, welcome to Trending Tube. Friends, my name is Biswa and I am in the IKEA store right now. And you see, I will be explaining about a product wing chair. The name is Strandmon. So it is a wing chair. Basically, you can place it at your home, and this is a most selling, maybe top selling products from IKEA. One of the top selling product, and the price range varies from 15,990 to 22,990, which is on a higher side. You see the green color one, right? So that is the highest selling product. Maybe you can say it's a dark green wing chair. It comes with 5 years of warranty and the additional leg stand that you have to purchase additionally. And there is a yellow color as well, which is 18,990. Even the small kids one as well, which comes with around 9,990 rupees. And the quality is really good. So the material which is used on the green is really good. And when I speak about the product size, the height is 52 centimeter, the length is 106 centimeter, net weight is around 25.70 kg, the volume is 407 liter, the weight is 30.90 kg, and the width is 74 centimeter. Okay, so that is the package dimension. The product size will be around, width is 82 centimeter, depth 96, height is 101, seat width is 49, and seat depth is 54, seat height is 45 centimeters. So see the quality from the material, you can just see quality is really good. And the cheapest one will be this one. So this is the material which is used on the cheapest color, cheapest in the sense, yeah. So this is the gray color. It comes with 5 years of warranty and the price is 15,990 rupees. So it's approximately $150, I think so, yeah. So and this comes with 3 different colors. One is gray color, which is, and another is the beige color, right? So yeah, this is the material. Both of the materials are good. I am not saying anything is bad, just that the material used, and there's the price difference. So hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel for further videos. Thank you and thanks for watching.